Hi, I'm attorney Doug Stair in Altoona, Pennsylvania. I limit my practice to personal injury type of claims, and this often involves somebody hurt in a motor vehicle accident. Now, I want to talk to you about Pennsylvania insurance law, particularly full tort versus limited tort. It happens almost weekly. Somebody calls our office, they're hurt in an accident, and they ask, or they'll say, hey, I have full coverage. And they start talking about the property damage to their car, and that's not what full tort means. Full tort versus limited tort means that at one point, or actually at the time that you obtain your insurance policy, your agent should have explained to you the difference between full tort and limited tort. And I have found that often that does not occur, that people don't really realize what they're choosing. In essence, full tort allows you to make a personal injury claim, pain and suffering plus medical bills and lost wages without any impediment, no concern. If you chose limited tort, though, you saved about 10 to 13% off of your insurance policy premium. However, you gave up your right to make a claim for pain and suffering and other types of damages unless you have what the law calls a very serious injury. Now, for example, you could have what you think is a serious injury because you needed medical treatment for a while and maybe you missed time from work, but that might not be enough under Pennsylvania law. I have written several magazines called Just Cause. In this issue, I devoted it to motor vehicle automobile insurance law, and you can call my office if you'd like a copy, or you can go online to my website at stairlaw.com. I wrote an article about full tort versus limited tort, and I cited a couple of examples. In one case, the plaintiff was a pedestrian struck by a car. He had chosen limited tort on his auto policy. Even though he had serious neck surgery, missed time from work, and still had some restrictions, the court ruled that the injury was not serious enough. You have to prove that you have a serious impairment of a bodily function. It's a difficult threshold to meet, so that's why it makes much more sense to choose full tort on your insurance coverage. But if you do have a limited tort personal injury claim, still call my office 946-4100. I will accept some limited tort cases if I feel that I can help you overcome that threshold and meet the burden of a serious injury. So give us a call.